My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to study next chapter, which is Introduction to Environmental Chemistry 2 Water. In the previous lectures, we studied Introduction to Environmental Chemistry 1 Atmosphere. Now today we are going to study introduction of these chapters. Now, water. Water is one of the most essential substances for life on Earth. What is environmental chemistry of water? Environmental chemistry of water deals with the study of water and the environment, including its sources, composition, uses, pollution, treatment. It helps us understand how to protect and conserve water resources. Importance of water. Water is essential for all living organisms. Some important roles of water are: it is necessary for drinking and survival. It is used in agriculture, irrigation. It is used in industries. It helps regulate body temperature. It is essential for biochemical reactions. About 70% of the human body consists of water. Distribution of water on Earth. Water is present in different forms on Earth. Media distribution: oceans, saltwater about 97%, freshwater about 3%. Out of freshwater, most is present in glaciers and ice caps. Only small amount is available as drinking water. This shows that usable water is very limited. Sources of water. Water comes from different natural sources like rains, main source, rivers, lakes, wells, and groundwater, glaciers. Rainwater is a primary source of fresh water. Water cycle. Water continuously circulates in nature through the water cycles. Many steps include evaporation, water changes into vapors, condensation, vapors forms clouds, and precipitation, rainfall, collection water returns to rivers, lakes, oceans. The cycles maintains the balance of water on Earth. Needs for clean waters. Clean water is necessary for drinking, cooking, agriculture, industrial use. Polluted water can cause diseases, environmental damage. Therefore, it is important to protect water from pollution. Summary: water is essential for life. Only a small amount of water is available for human use. Water is obtained from natural sources like rain and rivers. Water cycle maintains the balance of water. Clean water is necessary for health and environment. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures. I hope you understand. If this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.